Have you ever had that moment where you look at the headlines, the markets, your retirement accounts, and something in your gut just whispers, this isn't right? Well, that's exactly how Jim and Linda Harris felt last October. They just sold their small real estate business in Phoenix and were finally ready to enjoy retirement. But then the market dropped. Hard. Within weeks, over $82,000 vanished from their 401k. And here's the thing. It wasn't from doing anything wrong. It was just the system. Right now, US national debt just topped $34.7 trillion. Inflation's stubborn. Major banks are quietly laying off staff. And geopolitical tensions? Let's not even start. This isn't fear-mongering. This is reality. That's why Jim and Linda rolled over $517,243 into a gold IRA, and today they sleep soundly. Their story started with the same free resource I'll tell you about at the end of this video. But before we get there, let's unpack what's actually happening and why now is the time to prepare. Markets are jittery. Wall Street knows it. Just last week, Bloomberg reported that hedge funds are piling into gold at the highest rate since 2011. Why? Because they know what's coming. You've got rising interest rates, a shaky housing market, and the Fed stuck between inflation and a potential recession. Meanwhile, China and Russia are hoarding gold like it's 2008 all over again. And for everyday Americans, especially retirees, this isn't just economic noise. This is your nest egg, your legacy, your life savings. Now let's bring it back to Jim and Linda. After their 82K market loss, Jim did what most people don't. He acted. He didn't wait for Washington to fix things. He didn't hope the market would bounce back this time. He got educated. That led him to request a free gold IRA guide just to learn. No pressure, no gimmicks, just clarity. What he discovered? A gold IRA lets you legally move part of your 401k or IRA into physical gold, stored in your name in secure vaults. Not some ETF. Not a digital promise. Real tangible wealth. And the best part? It's IRS compliant, tax advantaged, and designed for long-term protection, not speculation. Jim and Linda moved $517,243, a portion, not all, into a gold IRA. Today, they've not only recovered from their loss, they're ahead. So here's the real question. If the market drops another 20%, would you be okay? Could you afford to lose another 80K? Another 100K? What would that mean for your plans? Your peace of mind? Your family? I know these are hard questions, but ignoring them won't help. That's why we created a free gold IRA guide, specifically for American retirees with $100,000 or more saved in a 401k or IRA. This isn't a sales pitch. There's no pressure, no silver coin gimmicks, just a real one-on-one education-first call to see if protecting your retirement with gold might be the right fit for you. You worked hard to build your retirement. Now it's time to protect it for yourself, for your spouse, for your kids and grandkids. Jim and Linda's story started by downloading that guide. Yours could too. So click the link, grab your free gold IRA guide, and schedule your no-obligation call today. You've earned the right to retire in peace. Don't leave it to chance. The shocks are coming. The smart ones prepare.